So most people think that a great event is one that fits everything into the agenda. The more, the better. Well, we want to share that less is more, especially when it comes to presentations. So today I'm going to have 3 tips for you on how to create an amazing business event by making it active.
Hey Rose, what are you reading there?
Presentation Zen.
Presentation Zen. Well, already actually. Yeah, it's all about interior design. Very interesting subject. I think know lots about interior design. Did you know that interior design is based on 5 different principles? And also,
So, if you want your employees to remember information in your event, reconsider all the presentations. The best thing you can give them is a cup of coffee, a book, and silence. How many times have you been to a conference where you have sat in the same chair, listening to what feels like the same presentation, doing nothing in the same spot for hours and days? It's like sitting on a swing set and not moving. Why? Because we have so much potential. If you can, get your employees moving. And then you'll see what's really possible. And even better if they can do it together. So think about workshops and stand-up work sessions. And what happens if they go outside? You might just start having some fun. So, beware the impulse to overstuff your agenda for your event. In fact, you need to work in little moments of delight and surprise, and especially breaks. This is the gold in your agenda. This is the time when people start to network and come up with new ideas and absorb what they've just learned in the event. So Michael, what did you think of that last presentation?
You know what? I thought it was pretty good.
1. Only use presentations when necessary. 2. Make an active agenda for an amazing event. And 3. Add in moments of delight, surprise, and breaks. So, thank you for joining the Business Presentation Revolution. We hope these 3 tips will help turn your next business event into an amazing one, an active one. If you want more tips like these, join us on YouTube and LinkedIn, and we'll see you next time.